Did you know an object can carry magic it was never meant to hold? When a scholar in this world ran an assessment on Ella's medals, everyone expected a simple result. Modern metal, mass manufactured, nothing special. That is not what came back. The reading showed ancient resonance, a magical signature so old it predated the forge that made them, the competition that awarded them, and Ella herself. These were Olympic medals, pressed aluminum and gold plating. But to the magic in this world, there was something else entirely, something that had been recognized before. Ella thought her story started the night she got lost in the Blue Ridge Mountains. A sabotaged map, a wrong trail, a doorway she stumbled through by accident. But what if it was never an accident? Her mother used to whisper a phrase to her before every competition, just 7 words. Ella always thought it was comfort. Now she is starting to wonder if it was a warning, because the medals remember something, and whatever they remember is older than her entire life.